Hey guys, Austin here with TYM. Today I just wanted to walk you through how to use the clipping mask in Photoshop. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, my hat is a little crooked. Instead of talking about it, I thought I'd just show you. It's a little bit easier this way. Alright, so I went ahead and opened up Pinterest just to give you a better visual idea as to what the clipping mask is within Photoshop. So here are a few examples. Essentially what it is an image on top of an image. But when done in this certain way, it creates this amazing look that's great for graphics or logos, whatever you find useful. So let's just go through a couple more. I love the bloom. I follow the girl who made this, Lauren Hooker. She is great. Anyways, just gives you an idea as to what we are going to be using. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up Photoshop. Right now I have it left blank, but I'm going to go ahead and open up one of my clients' logos. So let's see, I prefer to use a white logo just so it's more visible when we're using an image. So here we go, white image, or excuse me, white logo. And now I'm going to find the image that I want to use within the logo. Let's use some palms. So I'm going to go back to the logo. I'm going to click Command A to select the entire thing. With the selection tool, I'm going to hold down my mouse and drag it over to the image that I want to incorporate. So as you can see, it's a little bit big. So I'm going to hold down the Shift button to make sure that my size stays consistent, make it smaller, and line it up. That looks good to me. Okay. So next, we're going to unlock the background so that it becomes a layer. Layer 0. Now we have layer 0 and layer 1. I want the logo to go behind the image. Don't ask me why. This is just how it's done. So we're gonna reverse the order just by simply dragging it down. Now that we have it in that order, I'm gonna hold down the Option key on my Mac and hover over the line connecting the two layers. And this little box will pop up with the arrow. You're just gonna click the mouse while holding down Option. And there you go. This creates a clipping mask. It is that simple. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. I'm just going to create a new layer so that we don't have to have anything selected. As you can see, the palm image is within this logo. So cool. Yay! Hope you guys enjoyed this quick run through. Make sure to check out trekyourmarket.com for more info.